Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing our 5600 control head on our whole house system. Let's get to it. Hey everyone, it's Kevin with Crystal Quest. So before we can put our 5600 onto our media tank, we're going to go ahead and unbox it and take all the components out. The first thing you're going to see when you open up your box is going to be the control head itself. You're going to find your upper diffuser that you'll need for installation. You're going to find a spare lower diffuser. And you'll find your instruction manual. Also, if you have a regeneration type system, you'll find your brine tank connections. Now that we got all our components laid out, let's go ahead and unbag our control head. And once we get it unbagged, all we have to do now is get our upper diffuser and install it onto the bottom of our control head by pushing it and twisting it to lock it into place. Next, we're going to go ahead and uncap our media tank and the riser inside of it. Be careful not to pull out your riser during any of these steps because it could be difficult to get it back into place. Now that we've got our upper diffuser on our control head, let's go ahead and install our control head onto our media tank. Before we do this though, make sure to put a little bit of food safe lubricant around your O-ring so that your control head doesn't get stuck on. When we put our control head on, you want to make sure that the hole in the middle of your upper diffuser is lined up with the riser on the inside of your media tank. And once you get that far, make sure your control head is lined up correctly before threading it completely onto your tank. You want to tighten your control head so it's nice and snug, but you want to make sure you don't over tighten. And there you have it. You successfully installed your 5600 onto your media tank. Now go ahead and watch our other videos on how to program your control head and install it with the rest of your system. Thanks for watching. If there's any questions you have, feel free to leave a comment below, call us, or visit our website at crystalquest.com. Thank you.